Have you ever been in a situation where you had to talk about your weekend plans in Spanish? Or probably your travel plans? What about a situation where you wanted to make a promise? Well, for all of that, you will need future simple, right? Today is your lucky day. Save this video for future references because today we are gonna learn future in Spanish. Welcome everybody to Spanish with An Academy. Yo soy Lorena, and as I mentioned before, we will learn today el futuro en español. So get your notepad and get comfortable as we start with today's topic. Are you ready? Empecemos. Let's start with conjugations. For that, I'm going to use the verb amar, to love. So listen carefully. Yo amaré, tú amarás, él amará, ella amará, usted amará, nosotros amaremos, ustedes amarán y ellos amarán. As you can see, this conjugation is very simple. You will take the verb in its infinitive form, for example, amar, and then you'll add the ending. I'm gonna leave it here in the screen so you can have it. So those are the endings that you're gonna attach to the infinitive form of the verb. That's why we have something like tú amarás. You will love. Okay. So, following the same structure, how would the future of the verb comer, to eat, would be? Yo comeré, perfect. Tú comerás. Él o ella comerá. Nosotros comeremos. Ustedes comerán. Ellos comerán. Perfect, very good, you already got this. Let's try now with the verb vivir, to live. Yo viviré. Tú vivirás. Él vivirá. Nosotros viviremos. Ustedes vivirán. Look at you, already mastering the simple future in Spanish. Okay guys, you know that sound. It's time for my daily practice in Spanish. So let's do it together, shall we?
Now we will look at how we can ask for a table to sit at a restaurant. You can ask for a table in the same manner as asking for a meal, by saying, a table please, or una mesa, por favor.
Okay, we need to translate this sentence. A table, please.
Una mesa, por. Una mesa, por favor.
Okay, now a table.
Una mesa.
Okay. Okay, complete the sentence.
Una mesa, por favor.
Okay, here we need to drag the image into the correct bucket, so let's see.
Una mesa. Un café. Una pizza.
Okay, now let's complete the following sentence. Un.
Un hot dog, por favor.
Perfect, that's the same in English and in Spanish in some countries. At least in my country, we would say hot dog.
Agua, por favor.
Okay, now we need to translate. A table, please. How would it be, guys? Perfect.
Una mesa, por favor.
Perfect. True or false? Un is the article for masculine nouns. Perfect.
Did you notice? Many words ending with an a in Spanish are feminine, and we typically use the article una before them.
We can use different articles, but yes, una is one of the articles that we can use before the nouns when they are feminine.
Mesa. Una mesa, por favor.
Okay.
Café.
Café. Okay, now translate this sentence. A table, thank you.
Una. Mesa. Una mesa. Gracias.
Okay, excellent. Okay, we got our daily strike, so let's continue with our video. Okay, now that we know how to conjugate the future tense, I want us to practice this new topic, okay? I'm gonna give you 10 verbs with an example in future, and I would like you to leave a comment with an example using the same verb as well, okay? Okay, so let's start with the first one. We will eat. Nosotros comeremos pastel de papa en Navidad. Okay, I want to see your examples, okay? Number 2. You will drive. Tú conducirás hasta Nevada. Okay, let's try number 3. I will dance. Leave your example. Bailaré todas las canciones de la fiesta. Next number, I forgot the number, probably 4, I don't know. My sister and I will travel. Mi hermana y yo viajaremos por Europa en verano. You will buy, in plural. Ustedes comprarán frutas y verduras en el mercado. I will visit. Mañana visitaré a mis abuelos. They will buy. Leave it in your comments, please. I want to read all your examples. Ellos comprarán una casa grande. Okay, the next one would be María will study. María estudiará medicina en la universidad. Now listen the next one. We will organize. How would that be in future in Spanish with an example? Nosotros organizaremos una fiesta de despedida el viernes. Okay, and the last one. I will start. El lunes empezaré un nuevo trabajo en tecnología. Okay guys, I want to see your comments with your own sentences. And that's a wrap for today, everybody. Thanks again for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share. This is Spanish with An Academy. Yo soy Lorena. See you the next one. Adios.